Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to our technology class. This is week 33. So we're going to get back into typing this week. So your assignment for typing is going to be jokes and laughs. So I tried to pick something funny so it could be a little bit more entertaining. So please make sure you catch on with your typing. And then here we go with code.org. We are now up to lesson 4, drawing with loops. So I'm gonna start, there's a little video and then I'll go through it with you guys, okay?
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind them. To move around the canvas, you'll use the Move Forward block. Here, the Move Forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen. The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by 90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
All right, so here we go. Hopefully you're ready for some angles. We are going to get started. So here we go. Hi, I'm an artist. You can write the code to make me draw almost anything. Play with the blocks in the toolbox to see what they do. So for example, moving forward 100 pixels, obviously he's going to move forward 100 pixels. Turning right by 90 would make him turn right by 90. So you could try to do this and create a square. You could set color to make it change color every time he goes somewhere. He could change color. And you could create something. So kind of a free play with that one. Okay, drag the blocks onto the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. Each line is 100 pixels. So we're just finishing the square. So move forward by 100, right by 90, forward by 100. Because I'm going forward by 100, right by 90 degrees. It's a square, 90-degree angles, and then right by 100. To finish the square. All right, let's watch the video about loops.
Here we're going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage, but they're just there to get us started. To loop those blocks 4 times to draw the whole square, we just drag out the repeat block and put the move forward and turn right blocks inside the repeat block. When we hit run, the artist will repeat those steps 4 times to complete the square.
All right, so we have the repeat block. So let's try it out. So we could use the repeat block to make the square. So put the move forward and turn right by 90 inside, repeat it 4 times, and you will draw a square. And it takes a lot less code to do that, right? So we're always trying to use the least amount of code to make it easier. Finish Starla's rocket so she could chase her pet. So she's going to be going forward by 100, and then it looks like she'll be going right by 120, forward by 100. Well, let's do it 3 times to finish. The triangle has 3 sides. Oh, oops, I'm sorry. Wrong direction. Left. Perfect. Sorry, it was left, not right. Okay, here's a challenge puzzle. So we're trying to draw this entire shape. So always read here. The long side is 150 pixels. The short sides are 75. So move forward by 100. Then we have to figure out this angle here. We know it's not a 90-degree angle, but is it a 45-degree angle? So we can test it out. And then the short sides are 75. So we have to change this to 75. And then we can see here, this is going to be right by 90. Let me just test it out. Oh, oops, I forgot to change this to 150 pixels. Okay, so now we've gotten this far. So then we're going to move forward by 75. And then let's see what happens. So I'm just kind of trying to go step by step. Now we're here. So now let's do again. Let's do turn right by 45, move forward by 150. Let's say. Okay, then we have turn left by 45, move forward by 75, and then turn right by 90 and move forward by 75. So I'm just kind of plugging it in and testing it out. And then you guys can see if it looks like it works. Oh, I did a wrong turn somewhere. Where did I mess up my turn? Somewhere over here. Was this one supposed to be right? Let me see. So again, if you mess up, you mess up. There we go. We solved the puzzle. So you might need to try it a few times to make sure. Oh my gosh, another challenge puzzle. So here we go. We're going to draw the star. So that you could create the star by looping a sequence of move forward and turn right by 144. So we're going to be moving forward and turning right by 144. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, it looks like. If you want to keep setting a random color every time, plug that in too, so it'll come out pretty. So now it's setting a random color and making a star. Woohoo! Okay, now we're going to make a staircase. Each stair step is 50 pixels long and 50 pixels tall. So we will be repeating, move forward by 50, turn right by 50, and we'll be doing it, and then move forward by 50. We'll be doing it 1, 2, 3 times to make a stair. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oops, totally messed up there. So move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left. Oops, forgot about that. Totally forgot about that little step there. Awesome. Okay, now we're making a staircase, but it's much bigger. Fix the loop. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, challenge puzzle. Look for the pattern and make the code shorter. So this is like literally a pattern of set width to 20. Then it's set color to a random color, move forward by 80, turn right by 45, and then guess what? It does it again. And it does it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, I think it's 8 times. So we really could just put this in the loop and put 8 times. Yay! And then we did our cool loop. So that's it. We're just going to stop at lesson 4 today, since you do also have the typing to do. And if you need to catch up on any of the other lessons, lesson 1, 2, or 3, I didn't want to go too ahead, but make sure you get all the way done through lesson 4 this week. All right, guys? Okay, so I will see you guys next time. And don't forget, get your typing done too. All right, bye, guys.